Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to the window of Google Meet. Then this list of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone, you can wait a moment, and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.